The Cold War Introduction. Cold War lasted from 1945 to 1991, period. Conflict between United States and Soviet Union superpowers. Both countries had different ideas and political systems. Soviet Union followed communism since 1917 revolution. United States followed democracy and capitalism economic system. Both were allies during World War II against enemies. After war, both sides developed mistrust and tension. Conflict called Cold War because no direct fighting. War fought through propaganda, threats, and indirect conflicts. Smaller countries fought wars on behalf of superpowers. Post-World War II tensions. Yalta Conference held by Roosevelt, Churchill, and Stalin leaders. Discussed plans for post-war world and Europe future. Stalin wanted control over Eastern European countries. Soviet Union wanted buffer zone for its security. Germany had invaded Soviet Union twice before. Potsdam Conference held with new leaders Truman and Attlee. United States had developed powerful atomic weapon. Western leaders started opposing Stalin's growing influence. Germany divided into 4 zones under 4 powers. Berlin also divided, though located inside Soviet zone. Relations between Soviet Union and West became tense. U.S. used atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki cities. Stalin saw United States as a major future threat. U.S. feared the spread of communism across Europe.